Mastering Indefinite Quantitative Adjectives in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of quantitative adjectives, specifically indefinite quantitative adjectives. This might sound like a mouthful, but don't worry, we will break it down into digestible bits. So, stick around and let's enrich our English vocabulary together. Before we explore the common indefinite quantitative adjectives, let's first understand what they are. Indefinite quantitative adjectives are adjectives that provide unspecified or vague information about the quantity of a noun. They don't give us an exact number, but they help us to understand that there is more than one. Examples of indefinite quantitative adjectives are some, any, few, many, several, all, etc. For instance, she has some books. We don't know exactly how many books she has. There are many people at the park. We don't know the exact number of people. Now, let's take a closer look at some common indefinite quantitative adjectives and how to use them in sentences. 1. Some. Used in affirmative sentences to talk about an unspecified amount. 2. E.g., I have some apples. 3. Any. Used in negative sentences or questions when the amount is not known. 4. E.g., do you have any questions? 5. Few. Used to indicate a small quantity. 6. E.g., we have a few tasks to finish. 7. Many. Used with countable nouns to indicate a large number. 8. E.g., she has many friends. 9. Several. Suggests more than a few, but not a countless number. 10. E.g., he has several assignments to submit. 11. All. Represents the whole quantity. 12. E.g., all the students are present. Remember, the usage of these adjectives often depends on the context and the noun they are modifying. To master these adjectives, practice is key. So, let's do a quick exercise. Fill in the blank with an appropriate indefinite quantitative adjective. 1. There are, blank, birds in the sky. 2. We need, blank, volunteers for the event. 3. She doesn't have, blank, pets. 4. Blank, students passed the examination. Take your time with these, and in our next video, we will review the answers. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on indefinite quantitative adjectives. We hope that you found this video helpful and it has clarified this sometimes tricky grammar point. Don't forget to do the practice exercises and keep exploring the English language. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.